Can you draw something for me?
What?
I said that, can you draw something for me?
What?
Can you draw something for me?
Oh, draw you. Yes, darling, I can. Pose for me.
Now?
Of course. You can just take off your clothes. It's no big deal.
Take off my clothes.
Yes. Let me see your face. Fierce. Fierce looking. That looks like you're about to go. Yes. I need sexy. I need tiger. I need her. Yes. Good enough. Hands behind your head. I need to see how this looks in reality.